Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Propstream subscription and handle other related queries. So mainly to cancel your subscription, contact Propstream customer support during business hours at 817-7377. Make sure to do this before your next billing cycle date to avoid being charged for the next period. So basically, reaching out customer support is only your option in canceling your account, as Propstream doesn't have any feature in canceling your account on the internet. And if you need to get a hold of Propstream, you can reach them by phone at 877-204-9040. Make sure that you're calling this if you're just asking for questions or any of your queries, and this number for canceling. Also, make sure that you call them during business hours, Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. at PT. Basically, that's it. That's how you cancel your Propstream subscription using phone call or customer service.